So guys, ndofunga murikuona kuti ndiripo pa Pine House College, chikoro chenyu chemhando yepamusoro-soro. So vana vedu izvozvizvi vakudzidza makombiyuta. So kombiyuta inodzidzwa kuchikoro zvekuti mwana kana achinge akura haaite mapitsi, haarwisane nekombiyuta.
See, nowadays everything is now computerized. Azvinei kuti mwana iform 1 stage ipi, mwana ngazive macomputers, mwana ngazive kuti computer inobatwa sei. Kumasuro uku mwana izodzidzira computer akubasa. But nowadays pano pa Pine House College, we are training them to be my best employers, my best employees kwavachazoenda.
You know, the world is struggling with discipline. Parents and school heads are worried about discipline. But yet, Pine House College, I'm sure we are managing. Because our students, when they come from home, we don't allow them to buy from street vendors. You know, some of these street vendors are drug peddlers. So in order to avoid drugs being brought into the school, we don't allow our students to buy from from vendors. Not only vendors, we actually don't allow them to get into shops. As long as they are in our school uniform, they don't roam around town. What is good about this college is that as soon as the students enter, we don't allow them to go out. They will only go out when they are going home, which means they don't go out there and mix with other people during school time. As long as it is school time, they are in here. Also, we do have a CCTV in the head teacher's office. So the children, wherever they are, whatever they are doing, the head will be seeing them. So there are no chances of them bringing drugs in school or smoking or drinking, because the head will see them. Also, I'm sure you have met our pastor. We do have a pastor in the school who do some counseling sessions. We are a Christian school, so that is very important for us. We do have devotions in the morning, and we have some prayer time. We are trying to mold our students in a Christian manner. So Pine House is the best. You get everything from Pine House. The security of the students is at Pine House.